to go broke is to only have one way to get paid. And for content creators, that's typically a brand deal. I mean, y'all live and die by securing a brand deal. And I get it. It's pretty cool to have a company you love pay you to talk about products you already use. But when your financial security depends on a brand noticing you, liking you, and then deciding how much they're gonna pay you, are you really setting yourself up for financial freedom or failure? Financial experts say the proven way to wealth is with 5 to 7 streams of income, but creators have one. And when they hear about multiple streams of income, they immediately think, I have to build a new business selling products. Honestly, this is what most people think when they hear different streams of income. They think different companies. And while this is an option, it can be time consuming and a challenging one. You don't have to have a 9-to-5, create handcrafted candles on the side while running a YouTube channel. This stuff can quickly cause burnout, especially if it's not things that you love. I believe a better approach is to take the one thing that you love and develop multiple ways to make money from it. Instead of creating completely separate streams of income, diversify and multiply your current moneymaker. Brand deals and sponsored content is the no-brainer. And for some reason, it's become like the golden goose for influencers, although it is the most challenging and least fulfilling way to get paid. I believe it has something to do with external validation, but that's another topic for another video. Sponsored content is where brands pay you to create content that promotes their products on your page. At one point, that was the only way to get paid on Instagram and TikTok. But because these two platforms are constantly in competition, they've created programs that will pay you to post organic content. That's already 2 ways to get paid. A third way to get paid is Google AdSense. And long gone are the days where you could hide behind,
I don't do long form content.
Because YouTube is paying for your shorts views too. You can repurpose organic or sponsored content from Instagram and TikTok onto your YouTube page, and now you're tapping into 3 different streams of income without doing double the work. You can take one piece of content and get paid 3 different ways. Watch this video next if you need a little help coming up with the best strategies to lighten your workload by repurposing content. While we're on AdSense, let's talk blogs. So many creators forget that this evergreen platform not only attests to your reach and credibility of your brand in the eyes of big businesses, but it can get you paid. Google AdSense is not limited to YouTube. You can add it to your blog too. Now, the 5th stream of income is my favorite. Tried, true, and easy to do affiliate marketing. And I know affiliate marketing got a bad rep when brands refused to pay content creators for the hard work that they were putting into preparing their content and only wanted to pay them commission through affiliate programs, but don't count it out. Creators are making hundreds and some even thousands a month from their Amazon storefront, Magic Links, How, and Rakuten. There are tons of commission-based programs offered directly from the brands and other general platforms. And if you create a true connection with your audience, they're gonna be so willing to use your AM codes when making purchases you suggest. This is where quality content that educates, evokes emotion, and sells through sharing comes into play. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, watch this video next to get really clear on how to create quality content that converts. That's already 5 streams of income without making anything new. You're simply creating content and monetizing it in 5 different ways. Now, there are 3 other streams of income that I think should be reserved for content creators that have a bit more skin in the game, and that's digital products, coaching, and premium or subscription-based content. You've seen it on OnlyFans, YouTube, and Instagram, where creators are charging people to view their content. While I think this is an amazing concept, there aren't many creators who have cracked the code on how to create content valuable enough to charge while still creating content useful enough for their public platforms. What I see is an immediate die down in the quality of content on their public pages, resulting in a decrease in engagement, which is now limiting their exposure, hindering the growth of their premium subscriptions. It's a domino effect. Your freebies should be so good that it gets people hooked and they don't care what your subscription costs. They just gotta have it. I believe a better approach before selling your content or packaging your growth strategies into ebooks and seminars is to really develop your craft, perfect it, test your strategies, and develop a core audience that's gonna follow you to any platform and support any business that you create. Constant value is key. Jackie Aina and Desi Perkins do an amazing job at this. Watch them and take notes. I've just shared with you 8 streams of income, 5 of which you don't have to do any extra legwork. But I don't want you to miss the gem here, the little nugget of knowledge. What makes these streams strong is you and the value you infuse into your content. Quality content is what sells to brands and your audience. It's not about taking a cute picture or filming a quick video. It's about providing undeniable value in every piece of content you create. And you do this by creating quality content that evokes emotion, educates an audience, creates a connection with that audience, and shares products and services that are going to provide value and improve their lives. This is how you ensure your streams never run dry. Did you like this video? Did you learn a thing or two? If so, comment down below. I'd love to hear what streams of income you're putting in place this new year. And if you need a little bit more help with how to create quality content, take a look at this video next.